Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope everyone is doing fine and well. Ibang setting natin today. Nasa sasakyan po ako. Si husband po may meeting. Nandyan siya sa building na yan. Naghihintay lang po ako dito sa car. So while waiting, might as well do a content para naman may magawa tayo today. Para may video upload tayo. So anyway, for those who doesn't know me yet, my name is Jade. I am from the Philippines, but I live now in the Sunshine State, Florida. Nasa Pensacola, Florida po ako. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa. So for this video po, pag-uusapan natin, or I would like to share with you what to do when you get to the US. Ano nga ba yung gagawin ninyo or unang gagawin ninyo when you get to the US using a K1 fiancé visa? So, sa ngayon po, I am currently in the process of adjusting my status. I actually got approved with my employment authorization and my travel parole. I got my SSN as well, and I'm just waiting for my green card to get approved. So I processed it, or nag-apply kami last September of 2023, and it's been 4 months, almost 4 months now since we applied. So 2 months after nung nag-apply kami, na-approve ako sa EAD and then travel parole. So anyways, yes, ano nga ba yung gagawin? Ano nga ba yung unang gagawin when you get to the US? First step, when you get to the US, you should get your social security number. Yan po yung tinatawag nila na SSN. Now, for you to get this, you may visit their website. It's right here, socialsecurity.gov. And then hanapin niyo po yung form SS5 and then fill out the form correctly using all the your complete details po. And I'm not sure if you need to call them to get an appointment before you go to Social Security Administration Office. You may Google it po. Google nyo na lang yung pinakamalapit na Social Security Administration sa county ninyo if you need to make an appointment before going there. But back then, nung ako po, kumuha kami ng SSN sa SSA office, nag-walk-in lang kami. And fortunately, wala masyadong tao. 5 lang kaming tao doon. So, they were able to accommodate me. So, unfortunately, hindi ako nakakuha ng social security number because back then, nung kumuha ako, it was like, just a little over 1 week na lang bago mag-expire yung 90 days ko. So just a reminder to everybody who's on a K1 visa right now and is about to come to the US, K1 visas are only eligible to get your social security number within 76 days before your 90 days expires. So, when you get to the US po, if magpapakasal kayo 1 month after ng pagkarating nyo sa US, pwede po kayong kumuha ng SSN after sa kasal ninyo para po isahan na lang. And then, if you are getting married, mga lagpas na sa 76 days ng pagkapasok ninyo sa US or almost 76 days ng pagkapasok ninyo sa US, mag-secure na lang kayo ng social security number agad. But no worries, if it so happen, gaya ng sitwasyon ko, hindi ako nakakuha, hindi nila ako nabigyan ng social security number because lumagpas na ako sa 76 day. But I was able to get it and I got my SSN now because when I applied or when I fill out I-485 adjustment of status, may question po doon if I have a social security number already and if not. And then I click no, and then the follow-up question was kung okay lang ba sa akin na sila na lang mismo, ang taga-immigration na lang mismo ang mag-forward ng information ko sa SSA para mabigyan ako ng SSN right after. So ayun, I click yes on it. So no worries if lumagpas kayo, you can still get your number through the immigration. Maghihintay lang kayo ng ilang months though. I only waited for like about 2 months from the time that we applied my adjustment of status. So what to bring or what are the requirements to get SSN? You only need your passport and your I-94 or that's the arrival and departure record. Ito po yung website nila to get your I-94 arrival and the departure record po ninyo. You can get it there, print it out nyo po, and then bring it to the SSA office with you. So step 2 is to get a marriage license. Alam naman natin na K1 fiancé visa only has 90 days upon arrival to marry your fiancé. So kuha po kayo ng license, marriage license sa county ninyo. You may Google it para malaman niyo kung saan yung address nila, and a contact number just in case if you need to book an appointment first before going there. So the requirements is only your passport or a valid ID for your fiancé and a fee po. May fee siya ranging from $10 to $80 depende po sa county ninyo. So you may Google it or you may go ahead sa county ninyo and pay for it. Step 3 is very easy. You get married and go to your honeymoon. Mag-enjoy kayo. Pwede kayong pumunta kahit saan po within the US. Wag na wag po kayong lumabas sa US kasi bawal pa po tayong lumabas sa US. And yes, enjoy your honeymoon, make time, and that's it. So step 4, pag nakakuha na po kayo ng SSN before you get married, you go back to SSA office after you get married and bring your SSN card together with your marriage certificate. Now, to change your name, make sure that your I-94 is not expired yet. If so, kailangan nyo pong maghintay muna sa green card ninyo together with your employment authorization document to change your name. So step 5 is to apply for adjustment of status together with your employment authorization and travel parole. So yung application fee po was $1,225 back then nung nag-apply ako September of 2023. But I think mag-i-increase na po yung USCIS with some of the fees ng mga specific applications po. So please check their website uscis.gov para po malaman niyo kung ano yung fee nila, magkano na ngayon. I will put here the link para po makita ninyo kung ano na yung fee, ano na yung mga requirements na dapat nyong i-submit. Nandito na po siya sa link na ito. So the forms that you should fill out is the I-1485, that's the adjustment of status, I-765, that's for the employment authorization, and then I-131 for travel parole, and for the supporting document naman po for I-485, you should also include the I-864, that's the supporting document. Yan po yung fill up ni partner po ninyo, ni fiancé ninyo or your husband. So that's it for today's video. Those are guide, but still please visit USCIS website for more information, for update po ng mga processes po nila. Make sure that you read everything, you understand everything. So maybe in my next video, I will try my best to show you as well on how to fill out I-485 and employment authorization and then the travel parole as well. So hopefully magawa ko siya, ma-share ko sa inyo based from my own experience po ito. So para makatulong din ako sa ibang Filipina or Filipino na currently adjusting their status, or when you get to the US, when you adjust your status, may guide kayo, at least may idea kayo kung paano gagawin. And once again, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agencies nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or illegal expert. I am only sharing my experience, or I'm only sharing based from my own experience po. So, thank you so much guys. I hope makatulong itong video na ito sa inyo. And please share para po makita ng iba, makatulong din po sa kanila. Thank you very much. I hope to see you on my next video. I will try my best to share my experiences po regarding my adjustment of status here. Thank you and see ya everyone. See you in my next video. Again, please like, please share, and please subscribe. See ya!